Ready to dive into the delicious world of decentralized finance with Sushiswap? First, you'll need a Web3 wallet. Popular choices include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. Download and set one up. Ensuring you store your seed phrase securely is crucial for accessing your funds. Head over to the Sushiswap website. You'll find a Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Click it and select your wallet from the options. Now for the fun part, swapping tokens. Select the token you want to trade from the drop-down and the token you want to receive in the to drop-down and enter the amount you want to swap and review the estimated output. Before confirming, adjust your slippage tolerance. If needed, slippage is the difference between the expected price and the price you actually get. Access these settings through the gear icon. Lower slippage means less price variation, but the transaction might fail if the price fluctuates too much. Once you're happy with the settings, hit swap and confirm the transaction. In your wallet will show you the gas fees. Remember, gas fees fluctuate based on network activity. Want to earn rewards? Head to the pools section. Here, you can provide liquidity to different token pairs. This involves depositing an equal value of both tokens in the pair. Choose a pool, click Add Liquidity, and deposit the required tokens. In return, you'll receive LP tokens representing your share of the pool. For even more potential rewards, explore the farm section. Here you can stake your LP tokens to earn sushi or other tokens. Select a farm, approve the contract if necessary, and stake your LP tokens. Keep an eye on your rewards and harvest them periodically. Remember, DeFi involves risks. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy swapping and farming.